Hi guys, today I'm sharing with you a full face of Gold Spring makeup. The first thing I'm doing is applying my favorite foundations, one being Revlon Color Stay Foundation for Combination Oily Skin in Caramel 400, and I'm mixing that with the Fenty Beauty Foundation, and this one is in 350. Those two together give me my perfect shade, and they help to last on my face all day long, even though I have super oily skin. After applying my foundation, I will be going in with one of my favorite new concealers, and that concealer is actually a ColourPop concealer, and the color is Tan 50. This is absolutely one of my favorite concealers. It lasts all day long and it does not crease, and it's only $6. I'll be setting that today with my Sasha Buttercup setting powder, which is a really great powder for people that are my skin color or darker. It is a banana powder, so it does give off a slight yellow tint, but I like it because it adds some brightening to my face. Additionally, I will be going in with my favorite face powder. It is the Urban Decay, oh my goodness, long name, Naked Skin Ultra Definition Powder, and this is in medium dark golden, and I'm going to be applying that all over my face. Next, I will be contouring a little bit with my bronzer. It is a dark, deep mineralized skin finish bronzer by MAC Cosmetics, one of my favorites. Also, one of the things in my project pan that I have to use up. Today I will be highlighting, and I will be using a highlighter that I recently picked up from ColourPop. It is Bay Area. It is the perfect golden color for my skin tone. If you haven't tried this highlighter, you really should. It goes on the face so nicely and it lasts all day. Next, I'm applying a peachy blush. I don't know the name of this blush, but it is just a soft peachy blush right in between the highlight and the bronzer. Now I'm adding my favorite lip liner, which is Cork by MAC Cosmetics. It is the perfect color for my brown skin, and I love it, love it, love it so much. Goes with most of my lipsticks. I'm going to add a little bit of chapstick because I'm going in with a Everlasting liquid lipstick by Kat Von D. The chapstick definitely helps so that it doesn't hurt, and I believe this color is the Ludwig. I know that sounds crazy, so that it doesn't hurt, but you know how liquid lipsticks are. I'm now applying my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz to fill in the sparse areas of my brows and to create a better shape. Now taking my Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I believe this one is anti-aging, and I'm putting that all over my eyelids. Today I'm going to be using a new palette. It's the Snowball Eye Compact in Gold by MAC Cosmetics. It was one of their holiday releases. Next, I'm taking one of my favorite transition colors. It is Puree from the Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced, and I'm just using it as a transition. And now going back to that other MAC palette, I'm going to spray my brush so that the colors come off more pigmented as I add the gold shades, which blew me away. I mean, look at this pigment. It's so beautiful. It's so frosty. It's so golden. I love it. Adding the lighter color on the inner eye. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. Now I'm just taking a brush that doesn't have anything on it, and I'm blending the colors together. Taking my favorite eyeliner, it is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner, and I'm just lining my eyes. I've been having lots of allergy issues, so I'm not going to be hitting my waterline today. I'm just going to do the top and leave it at that. Now, my favorite mascara, being the Tarte Tartist mascara, is going on my eyes. I love this. It makes my lashes so full and long. Okay, time to set that face. Now I'm taking the Dose of Colors lip gloss, and this one is Over the Top. It is one of my favorites. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.